step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. Yes? All right, you're going to do a vine with a heel, but as we do that, you're going to take it side, behind, side. You're going to angle to 11 o'clock and tap your heel. Okay? And then the second half is you're going to step down. You're going to step in cross. You're going to turn your body. Now you're facing 1 o'clock and you're going to touch your heel again. So just that section, weights on that left, we're going to vine to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Side, behind, side, and heel. Step down, cross, side, and heel. How'd you do? All right, so let's start right from the top. We're going to do the lock steps, vine, heel. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. Vine with a heel and vine with a heel. Yes? All right, face the back wall. This is only a 2-wall dance. Woohoo! All right from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lock step with a brush. Lock step with a brush. Vine with a heel and a vine with a heel. Perfect. Let's turn around here. All right. So weights on that left. Let's do that one more time, and then we're going to keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lock step with a brush. Lock step with a brush. Vine with a heel and a vine with a heel. At this point, you're going to square back off to 12 o'clock, and you do step back, touch, step back, and touch, step back, and touch, step back, and touch. For those that don't want to jump, you're just going to do a rock, recover, step, half turn, step, half turn. All right, so face front. All righty. So we've just done our vine, and we're on our angle facing 1 o'clock. Square off to 12, step back and touch, step back and touch, rock back, recover, rock back, recover, step, half turn, step, half turn over that right shoulder. You're all facing in the right direction, very good. All right, face front. We'll do that side just a little bit faster this time. Again, you've got your heel facing 1 o'clock. 5, we're going to step back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step back and touch. Step back and touch. Rock back, recover, step, half turn. Oh, looks awesome. Okay, let's put that all together. Right from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lock step with a brush. Lock step with the brush. Vine with a heel and a vine with a heel. Back touch, back touch, back touch. Rock, recover, step, turn. All right, so face front for just one moment, please. So what we're doing in the dance, we go back, touch, It is choreographed to take a little hop back. So you're going to take, as you step back, you're going to kick your left forward and then step down. Instead, for those that don't like to do that little hop, just do the, here you go, Steve. You're just going to take the step back, recover. But for those that like to do the little bit peppier, step, down, step, half turn. Okay, you do a little kick there. All righty. So let's put this all together again. For those that like to do that little hopping, kicking, go for it right there. Right from the top. 5, 6, 7, lock steps. Lock steps again. Vine with a heel. Vine with a heel. Back touches. Rock, recover. Step, turn. Nice. Wow, I'm impressed. You're all facing in the right direction. To end the dance, vine right, vine left. That's it. After you make that turn, your weight's on that left. You're just going to vine to the right, side, behind, side, touch, vine left, side, behind, side, touch. Now for those of you that like to turn, here's your opportunity. On your vines, the vining to the right, it's really too hard to do your turn, but those that love to twirl, you can twirl right there. You definitely can vine and twirl on that left side behind if you like to do your turning. Okay, so there's a gentleman that says New Wall, New Dance there. So he's going to vine right and then do the turning to the vine left. And then he's just gonna take that turn, there you go. I don't turn, I don't like turning. The vertigo likes to kick in when I do that, so Jen's not gonna do that. So let's face front, let's put the whole dance together. So after we've done the back, touch, step, turn, we're vining to the right and vining to the left. Sounds really fun and easy, but that song is peppy. Just remember that. So let's put this whole thing together, practice a couple walls, and then I'll tell you the little bonus steps that we have. All right, so right from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lock step with a brush, lock step with a brush, vine with a heel, and a vine with a heel. Back touch, rock, recover, step, turn, vine right, and left. Nice job. All right, this time don't stop. Go right into the dance just to make sure we've got it. And then I'll show you the restart and the tag. Oh, I know, sounds scary, but it's only a 2-wall dance, and you've got 99% of the dance. So let's do this. We're on the back wall. Go right.